Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge cleaning technology with the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI vacuum cleaner. This powerhouse promises automated optimization, cordless convenience, and impressive features. Stick around as we put it through its paces in our comprehensive review. Greetings, everyone! Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI vacuum cleaner. A responsive and powerful cleaning solution that aims to elevate your cleaning experience. First off, kudos to Samsung for providing a well-thought-out solution for accessory storage. The included caddy with a carry handle keeps all the accessories neatly organized and accessible. In the package, you'll find an array of tools: a dusting brush, extendable crevice tool, pet tool, floor brush, slim LED brush for hard floors, and an angle adapter for those hard-to-reach spots. A versatile lineup that equips you for any cleaning task. Now, let's talk about a game-changer, the Auto Empty Station. This vacuum's self-emptying feature is a dream come true. It effortlessly removes dust and debris from the cleaner, even spinning its filter to rid itself of hair. A remarkable solution for those with allergies, as it eliminates any dust spillage. Speaking of batteries, Samsung doesn't disappoint. They include both a larger 100 watt-hours and a smaller 55.54 watt-hours battery. While the dual battery setup is handy, it does make me question the need for two capacities. Nonetheless, the convenience of being able to switch batteries on the fly is appreciated. Let's get to the performance. The Bespoke Jet AI is no slouch. With AI Clean, it adapts brush roll speed and vacuum power based on the detected floor type. 4 power modes, Min, Mid, Max, and Jet, give you flexibility for various cleaning tasks. And that extendable wand? A fantastic addition for users of different heights, making your cleaning experience more comfortable. The AI mode's dynamic adjustments are quite impressive, although I feel it's not as responsive as some cleaners with built-in sensors. But the lightweight build of the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI makes up for it. Pushing it around is a breeze. Wrapping it up, the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI is undoubtedly a powerhouse. With its AI-driven features, Auto Empty Station, and exceptional performance, it's a top-tier contender in the vacuum cleaner market. However, there's a catch: the price tag. This premium cleaner comes at a premium cost. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.